All right. Let's move on to the next thing. And this is another thing that Uber is announcing and sending messages to. But this is to help you earn more tips or more bigger tips.
Honestly, I swear to God, either they're reading the blog, okay, because there are articles about this. And Jeff, are you here, Jeff? Because we're going to talk about you at the end, okay? Shame on you, drivers, to pound this amazing human being into pulp after the video came out, but we're going to talk about that later. But this is pretty much Jeff's freaking pointers here in his article, because he's a top tip getter, one of the top tip getters. Mike, look what it says right up there. Go the extra mile. Ooh, what do we have, Chris?
Wait,
go the extra mile sunshine
award. Isn't that
award.
the Show Me the Extra Mile Sunshine Award? When you sent me this, I was laughing my ass off. I'm like, they're watching the show. They're watching Sunshine Man. What are they doing?
I'm serious, bro. You know what? We're doing free work here. I got a lot of emails, by the way. He goes, okay, I'm going to squeeze this video in here. People, don't panic. I got blamed. You know what I got blamed for? You know how I told everybody, look at the passenger app to see how many drivers are around you? Last week, They took it away. They took it away. But guess what? Yeah, they took it away. But I found another way. So people, don't panic. They didn't take it away. All you have to do is enter a destination. Click. You don't have to order the trip. Zoom out. All the drivers are still around you. Bro, Uber, you can... Look, man, you guys are smart, okay? But not smarter than me. I'm telling you, you guys have been trying to find loopholes, close loopholes. Every time one of your engineers closes a loophole, I will find another loophole. Loopholes are there to be found. And I played the crap out of my app, and I will find it all. So don't worry about it, drivers. Just do what I just said. So this is exactly what Jeff keeps saying. This was in the goddamn video, how he gets tips. And sure enough, Jeff, there you go. I think we all are going to get hired by Uber. There you go. You take it.
Look here. Hey, Uber, I don't work for free. Consulting fee.
There you go. Look at this. This is all Jeff right here. Sunshine Man right here.
Yep. So just for those who are listening, it's talking about little ways to get bigger tips. It's 6 techniques that may bring bigger tips. 1, go the extra mile. And again, when I saw that, I thought, Show Me the Extra Mile Sunshine Award, being a good person and kind of going above and beyond on certain things. But
there you go.
I thought that immediately when I saw that. I'm laughing. Number 2, keep it professional. Number 3, tidy your ride, keep it clean. Number 4, take music requests. I don't know. 5, let the conversation come naturally. That's something that people just need to know in general. If you're a driver, don't try to start a conversation. Don't try to do things to do that, because then you're going to get that little notification that says you made the rider feel uncomfortable, and you're going to be like, why? What happened? I was just trying to talk. And that's exactly what's happening. So let them talk. If they want to talk, cool. Say, hey, hello, how are you? You're going to kind of catch the vibe at that point and see if they're going to want to talk. I've had somebody who came in, they didn't want to talk at all. And then, about 5-6 minutes into the ride, they wouldn't shut the F up.
Yeah.
So, sometimes it just might be that awkwardness at the beginning. Just take a cue from them. And if they don't want to talk, don't talk. If they want to talk, they're going to talk. So
read the room.
Really.
Read the room.
Yeah. 100%. Read the car. And then double check the destination was the 6th.
Yeah.
So
all comics do it. All comics do it. They get out, they read the room, and then the jokes go after that. If this guy is wants to shut you up, just shut up and drive. If you want to talk. But you know what? I know many drivers who just kind of jibber jabber. I'm like, shut up, bro. I'm trying to get to work. I'm like, my head hurts. Shut up, right? So, and then a couple of people are concerned that I'm too fired up today. Who's that? Vinny? Vinny? No, I'm actually almost back to real health, so it's all good. So there you go. Yeah. So yeah, you guys can't close loopholes, man. You just can't. It's not gonna work. What does it say? Lyft more and more. Yeah. Well, we're here to help, man. We don't want Lyft to go away. We're glad the pink mustache is gone for good, because they were the originators. Those two were the originators of the pink mustache. So it's gone for good now. And pinky swear hopefully is gone for good. Let's be more professional. Let's just graduate to high school. There we go. So.
Yeah. Either way, big thing when it comes down to tips, just, doing a couple extra things definitely can help. It's just funny though that all of a sudden all these notifications are being pushed, and it's something that it should be continually pushed. The scams, obviously, I think should be pushed the most.
Yep.
Safety should be pushed the most. When it comes to little ways to get bigger tips, this is something that I think, RideShare Guys put out quite a bit. And whether it's on the article side, the blog side, on the website, or in the videos, that's why, this is something that people should be watching and listening and reading, just so they are better drivers and they are making more money out there. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.